What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, Eat with Coral Blush. Today is a chicken pot pie or a chicken and vegetable pie. I got these in Aldi, it's a 4-pack, I've just made 2 for myself because they're an alright size. And I also cheated and bought the ready-made mash in the fridge area in Aldi. I'll put the picture up of the packaging. So you literally cook it in the microwave for 3 minutes. I took it out, put it in a big bowl, put 2 tablespoons of butter in and a bit extra salt, and it's really nice actually, to be fair. There was also a carrot and swede one, so I wouldn't mind trying that next time. So yeah, so we've got chicken pies with mashed potato, and I've just quickly made some gravy for me mash. Just got one of these little fresh orange drinks today. Hope you're all doing good. Oh, thirsty. Right, we'll pour some gravy on here. Made it super thick. Oh, look at that. Let's pour it on my mash first. Because I want to try my pies without gravy on, and then if I want to, I'll put some on. I've got these because I know me normal, especially on these plates, the scrape, so I'll try and eat as best I can with these. Oh yeah, smells lovely. That's a big. And these as well, I usually get the steak ones. They're in a 4-pack as well, and literally air fry for 20 minutes and they come out perfect every time. Don't want to burn my mouth. Oh, oh, they're lovely. I've never had these before. They're really nice. The filling's lovely. Nice and juicy as well. Plenty flavour. All the veg in there with the chicken. So this is a super easy meal. 20 minutes to cook them and 3 minutes for me mash. Those are lovely pies. They've done, I noticed as well, which I haven't seen before, a big family chicken and bacon pie. Usually you get like bacon quiches and that, don't you? But I've never seen the chicken and bacon pie before. There's plenty of chicken in them as well. It's not just all veg. Yes, I'll get them again. They're just as nice as the steak ones. I think they've got a bit more filling actually, because obviously the steak would be more expensive, so really nice. Doesn't know which one it wants to go on. Remembered me potatoes. That's lovely, that, guys. Like I say, God saves you boiling potatoes to then mash. A couple of thingies of these would do your dinner. Less hassle, isn't it? Super creamy. Oh, this is delicious. Very filling, cosy kind of meal. this. Feel. Oh, the pastry is lovely and buttery. Yes, so I recommend these, guys. I can't remember how much they were. I'm sure they were under £2 though for 4. Or they may be just over £2. Really nice. I mean, you could just do, if you've done a few extra things, one each, but I'm just being greedy because it's from my video. Oh. Nice crispy tops off the air fryer. The weather's funny, guys. It like looks as if it's gonna absolutely pour down with rain. It's went dead dark, but it's so warm still. I'm gutted I still haven't worn my new coat, you know, because it's so warm anyway. Like, it has to be canny cold to wear it. I thought, God, at this rate I'll not be able to wear it until February. But I'm dying to wear it. I was looking online on Asda, George Asda. It's got some lovely like dark brown like ankle boots. What'll go lovely with my coat. So I'm going to get them when we get paid. No, only £23. But they look dead small. They don't look £23. So I need to go up to Newcastle as well, probably at the weekend. The kids are desperate for new pyjamas and new boxers and socks. They must have had a growing spurt. It's like a dinner in a pie. They're really nice. And I've just bought a highlight, the rubber highlighting caps, the old fashioned ones. I've just bought one of them. I'm going to get Kenny to pull some streaks through, but I'm going to put like a dark blonde / light brown on just to break it up, because it's doing me head and me roots being a full block colour. So I'm going to try that, see if it looks alright. Us women have everything to do, don't we? Have to keep on top of our hair, makeup, skincare. I think men get away lightly out of life. I suppose they work hard, don't they? Oh God, this is delicious. Do want it to end? Oh, this is far too much mash, like. Spencer got a, Oscar got another head teacher award for doing really good at maths still. He loves maths, it's his favourite subject. And Spencer often gets, they'll like get a point for like perseverance, care, respect, aspiration and stuff like that. And I love it when I say like care and respect ones. But he's been getting loads of them lately. So I'm going to make a big deal of the respect ones because I like knowing he's been like respectful of not only adults, his other classmates and stuff. So I make a big deal of that. Maybe when we're in Newcastle at the weekend, I'll get them a little something for doing well. Oh, I'm stuffed. Yeah, I can't eat no more. That was really, really nice. Well, I'm going to go and tidy this house up. Then I've got the rest of the afternoon to chill. So I'll see you on my next video, guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.